For example, you can just say to be, as you developed a responsive front end solution for 50 plus clients, enhancing their user experience and client satisfaction. This will be the first point. When you told what you did, developed a responsive front end solution. Second will be, what was the outcome? Outcome was you optimize the backend processing by reducing, maybe you can just write down 40% through Python and SQL. And how you did it? You led the team by optimizing the code and reducing the response time by 20%. So these 3 points will make it sound very professional, will make it sound as if you have done the right thing. And make sure you add facts and figures, 20%, 30%, 50%, which makes it more sound authentic. Right? If you're not adding things, so for example, in the achievement section, you have written down that, I have won this competition, I've secured first position, but you're not writing how many people are participating in that. It can happen that just 2 people participated and you won. How does that make sense? But if you write down that 1,500 people participated or 1,000 people participated, but you won, that makes sense. Do you think it is difficult to write down work experience in XYZ format, because framing the sentences will take up time, then numbers will take up time, then how to analyze, how to frame the sentences, and for that I've got you a ChatGPT prompt which can help you do that. So take a screenshot right away to make and write the work experience in the 3 bullet format. I've already done that. You can just take the screenshot right away. Are we done? Have you taken the screenshots, guys?